Hello everyone, how to solve this exponential equation? This equation is 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. We are find out what is the value of x. So according to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n plus m equal to a to the power n times a to the power m. If I follow these rules, this time I can say here is 7 power 1 times 7 power x plus 7 power 1 times 7 power minus x equal to 50. Now, here is 7 power 1 equal to 7 and here is 7 power x plus 7 power 1 equal to 7 times, we know that according to exponential rules, a to the power minus n equal to 1 over a to the power n. This time I can say here is 7 power minus x, so this is 1 over 7 power x equal to 50. Now here is 7 times 7 power x plus 7 times 1 equal to 7. Here is 7 power x equal to 50. Now let 7 power x equal to a. This time I can say here is 7a plus 7 over 7 power x equal to a. So here is a equal to 50. Now here is a. So a times 7a equal to 7a square plus a divide a equal to 1. 1 times 7 equal to 7 equal to here is 50. Now here is 7a square plus 7 and 50 times a equal to 50a. Now I subtract both sides 50a. This time I can say here is 7a square plus 7 minus 50a equal to 0. Now we have 7a square minus 50a plus 7 equal to 0. Now if I factorization, this time I can say here is 50a and 7 times 7 equal to 49. You know that 49 times 1 equal to 49. Here is minus because of that this is minus. Now here is 7a square minus 49a minus a plus 7 equal to 0. Now I can see easily here is 7a is common, so 7a square divides 7a equal to a minus 49a divides 7a equal to 7. Here is minus 1 is common, so here is a plus minus 7 divide 1 equal to 7 equal to 0. Now here is a minus 7 is common, so a minus 7. Here is 7a minus 1 equal to 0. Now here is two case. We are find out first case is a minus 7 equal to 0 and other case 7a minus 1 equal to 0. Now I can say a equal to 7 and here is 7a minus 7a equal to 1 and I can say a equal to 1 over 7. Now we know that e equal to 7 power x, so I can say here is a equal to 7 power x. So here is a, so if I put on this value in this line, this time I can say 7 power x equal to 7. Here is 1. We know that according to exponential rules, a to the power v equal to a to the power c. Base is same. This time I can say power is same, so b equal to c. So here is base is same, so I can say power is same. So x equal to 1. And again we know that a equal to 7 power x and here is 1 over 7 like as 7 power minus 1. So I can say base is same, so power is same, so x equal to minus 1. Now we find out our final answer is x equal to 1 and minus 1. Now let's prove. Our first equation is 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. Now we are find out x equal to 1. So here is 7 power 1 plus 1 plus 7 power 1 minus 1 equal to 50. Now here is 7 power 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 7 power 2 equal to 49 plus here is 7 power 0. We know that 7 power 0 equal to 1 equal to 40 equal to 50. Now here is 50 equal to 50. I can see easily x equal to 1 is our right answer. And again, we will find out x equal to minus 1. This time I can say our equation is 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. Now 7 power 1 minus 1, because of that x equal to minus 1, and here is 7 power 1 minus 7 x equal to minus 1, and here is 50. Now minus minus plus, this time I can say 7 power 0 plus 7 power 2 equal to 50. Now here is 7 power 0 equal to 1 plus 7 power 2 equal to 49 equal to 50. So 1 plus 49 equal to 50 equal to 50. So I can say x equal to 1 and minus 1, our right answer. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.